Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove main bearings from the crankshaft. I made a mistake earlier as I was talking, guys, because wasn't really paying attention, so I'm gonna bring it up now. Now here's a mistake that I made. First of all, we're obviously seeing 6 pistons here and 6 rods, and I made a mistake in you know, saying that this holds the crankshaft. So that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is I'm saying that I'm removing cylinder number 3 and 3, 2, 1, like that. But this is the cylinder number 3, and this is the cylinder number 2, and that's the cylinder number 1. So then we got number 3, number 4. How did I mess it up? Number 4, number 5, and number 6. So that's a 6. So that's why that number was throwing me off a little bit. So I have to point it out because I'm pretty sure some of you guys noticed it, some of you guys probably didn't, and thinking, what are you talking about? But some of the mechanics probably gonna be like, what is he talking about? So we just removed this one. It does have some spots, coily, and I don't think we're supposed to be making those spots unless it has some water. Could be mistaken. So I'm gonna put that down there. And let's see what this one says. This is number 2. Number 2. So number 2 looks like this one's probably gonna say number 1 again. Oh, I dropped that. I don't want to put this engine together with less parts than I started. Gosh, that's hard to get. Need a magnet for that. Magnet or 2 fingers to work extra hard. Oh, that's my wife. How you doing, honey? You doing good? Taking an engine apart. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. Go here. I didn't get that bolt. It's still at the bottom. Everything's so crammed in here, it's kind of hard to work. Okay, so at least I could get that one. I'm just gonna space it out because I gotta put that other one in that hole. Why is that not coming out? Yeah, another 1 and then a 2. Okay. Now, from what I could see, I was correct, and it does appear to me that this engine was hydrolocked. The main bearings are looking mighty fine. They're looking very good. Now what I'm kind of wondering is, in best case scenario, you know, like whenever you press down on the pistons, they're gonna just fall out, but I don't know if that's gonna be the case with this one. Let's see if I try to tap it. I don't want to tap it too hard. No, that's not happening. But I could tell that all the main bearings, they're looking good. They're properly spaced. There's like no scratches from what I could see. Like, it's looking good. I would totally reuse these main bearings and save myself 180 bucks. So apparently, guys, so we could stick this in here and see if this engine will rotate, and it doesn't, because it is still hydrolocked. So basically, guys, let's see, I guess we're going to do one more thing that wasn't planned for this in this video, but it's going to be for the next video. I want to go ahead and actually remove the crankshaft itself. I think that's going to make the engine a whole lot lighter. And to remove the crankshaft, you have to pull all these bolts out. What I'm wondering though, why are these bolts looking different? If anybody knows this, put it in the comments below, because it doesn't make any sense. Like, if there's two of them the same here, then it should be two of them the same here. If just one here, then it should be like one here. Why is there another one like that? Does it even matter? Like, why would they put it together with different bolts? Does anybody know? Because as far as the size of them, this one might be smaller actually. Let's see. I just want to see. Okay, so that's not going to fit. So we're going to take my previous socket right here. So this is going to be the correct one for that. So this is shaking in there. Jeez, everything's oily and I'm just keep dropping stuff. So I bet this one's smaller. So let's see. Now this one's an E18. What is this? E16, really? So that's an E16. So why would they do that? That's really confusing. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like my video for the effort, and write in the comments below what you guys think. See you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. My goal is to make this the largest sprinter resource channel. So far this is ongoing for 5 years, and a lot of you guys telling me that that's actually the case. It is the largest sprinter resource, but this is nothing yet, guys. You just wait when I get my shop together. We're definitely going to be doing some interesting stuff, and I'm planning on getting the shop together this year. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Good, that came out. And that came out. Maybe it was too loose to cause any torque. Wow. So what I'm doing there, as you can see, guys, I'm going back and forth. I'm going to attempt to tighten, untight, tight, tight, tight. Okay, that seems that I have two, no, three stubborn ones. I'm just gonna put it directly on here. Let's see what we can do. Problem is, they're so tight, it's making the whole engine rotate. Oh, it's a good thing that I could put my foot on it, and that seems to be enough. It's a lot better than I thought. Okay. All right. This wasn't that bad. This wasn't that bad. That is gonna be much worse. We do have other side bolts right here. I'm not sure if this is, there must be short bolts, or maybe just long enough to tap in, but I'm gonna have to get them out. So let's see here. Oh, good. Coming right out. Coming right out. Okay. That's that side. Oh, yeah. I'm seeing some action. Well, there's gonna be always one. Hopefully it's just one. So I am untightening, so okay, so for that one that's stuck, let's see if we can get it unstuck. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's messing that bolt up. That's not good. That's not good. But anyways, let's see. What is this? It's just a dowel pin. Get this off. So here's the main bearing on this. Seems to be okay. That's the one that's stuck. Guess we'll make room for it. But I'll feel good at least removing something. We're gonna go ahead and remove the chain. By the way, that's room for the other headpiece. I'm going to have to heat this, and I do have something that I could use to pull it out, but that really sucks that that's just doing that. Yeah, it's just messed up. So what I'm gonna do, probably gonna have to heat it twice. I'm going to go ahead and apply some heat right now. Hopefully when I walk away and come back with my special tool for just this kind of bolts, it should be okay. I know this is going to be difficult to see, guys, but I'm heating the bolt right now. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit a like. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe. I help Sprinter owners all the time. Guys, if you are looking for Sprinter parts, I have all these parts available in my eBay store. You can actually follow the link in the description below. It's Zimaleta Motors Store. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.